Kids Food. For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.
Let's learn ABAKADA, the primary steps in reading. Halina at matuto ng ABAKADA, ang pangunahing hakbang sa pagbasa. Hi kids! Do you want to learn to read quickly in Filipino? Come on and let's start! Kumusta mga bata? Gusto nyo bang matutong bumasa ng mabilis sa Filipino? Tara na at ating simulan! Did you know that the ABAKADA is still the best way to read fast in Filipino? And to make reading Filipino easier for you, you must first know what vowels and consonants are. Para mas maging madali para sa iyo ang pagbabasa ng Filipino, dapat mo munang malaman kung ano-ano ang mga patinig at katinig. Note: in ABAKADA, the letters C, F, J, Q, V, X, and Z are not included because they are used for foreign words. Letter C sometimes replaced by letter K, letter F sometimes replaced by letter P, and letter V sometimes replaced by letter B. The understanding of this rule will help you increase your speed in reading Filipino words. So let's begin. Here are the vowels in Filipino alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. In Filipino, we must pronounce it as A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now that you know the vowels, let's proceed to the consonants. Here are the consonants in Filipino alphabet: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, N, G, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done, kids! Now, let's start reading. Let's start the ABAKADA. The ABAKADA. A, E, I, O, U. Ba, Be, Bi, Bo, Bu, Ka, Ke, Ki, Ko, Ku, Da, De, Di, Do, Du, Ga, Ge, Gi, Go, Gu, Ha, He, Hi, Ho, Hu, La, Le, Li, Lo, Lu, Ma, Me, Mi, Mo, Mu, Na, Ne, Ni, No, Nu, Nya, Nye, Ni, Nyo, Nyu, Nga, Nge, Ni, Ngo, Ngu, Pa, Pe, Pi, Ko, Pu, Ra, Re, Ri, Ro, Ru, Sa, Se, Si, So, Su, Ta, te,
te,
ti,
ti,
to,
to,
tu,
tu,
wa,
wa,
we,
we,
wi,
wi,
wo,
wo,
wu,
wu,
ya,
ya,
ye,
ye,
yi,
yi,
yo,
yo,
you.
you.
Nice job, kids! You're doing great!
Excellent.
Let's cite some examples. Kubo. Ku plus bo equals kubo or nipahat in English. Another example. Bao. Ba plus o equals bao or coconut shell in English. Here comes the other one. Babae. Ba plus e equals babae. It means girl in English. The other one is lalaki. La plus ke equals lalaki. It means boy in English. There you go, kids. This is the part 1 of our reading lesson. Next time, we're going to explore more Filipino words and put it into sentence. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.
For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.